everything alright.
I mean, I say, I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy, you try hard. I say, no boy, hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man, I want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she'll go and go in school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing I call upon her name, my youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad things I call upon her name, man. Whether me say them thief and she thief and money and them things them feel like embarrassed. You know them way there?
So she?
Well, I hear saying boy, she told she move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow shit on you, at that. Fear fault, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I'm going to fix it, man. My mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl putting them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter come keep your daughter money let me come from. I want to know how it all going on.
You mean my daughter thief your money? I don't believe that. What not tell me say?
Of course she can thief my daughter money. So I want to know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look, girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see, same thing when I tell you about my youth. A bit bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money. I come for just give me money. I go on and I go here. Because I don't know long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry about your money. Come on, a joke.
Collect your money, baby.
Police.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, baby. We are go home.
Of course. Yo, where money there? Where take up? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Because your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that. Just give me people the money.
But me never,
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit
money.
down all along, me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from man on the phone. Me no know where I talk, but me never thief no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. I lie them a tell pa me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap it nice, man. Me no want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, them a tell upon him, you know. So I keep my little pitney in my yard, you know.
You're sorry. You know some just check out mommy and her friend them. You know Brianna think Brianna thief money.
So I want to thief your money. So I want to thief your money and make your money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. Give me it, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. Enough to do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. I know Rasta want his money and if he down there beat her, you little daughter for your money. Come on, down a yard for the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody take money, they want blame family come look like people will damn take money. No, I don't know, don't believe me.
Jota, Yo, Jota.
Yo.
Where there?
Yo. Forward, man.
Boy, I know some me a pass. And here little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him take him money and take him money.
Where's it? Where really I talk about? Where I said to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take his money. Boy, I can't believe I said little pitney then. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who here, the little girl, attack, say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not come here to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, nah, I'm sorry, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? You see it? Them thief the money and then I hear a name I call. That's why I say if you just stay here someone and not come out of the yard, man. And not go a people yard. Because them lie and them wicked and them make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I ride to some different morning. And I never go nowhere.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright, then, I'm going to go over there.
I'm ever tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing to happen to you, hear? Thank you guys for watching this great short film that we create. For your device, you should know that it's Jutarime Star of the Shine with a distant punchline. If you were watching official Jutarime TV, go over to the AV channel and subscribe and share. You know them way that if you were watching over the AV channel, go over to the Jutarime, the official Jutarime channel, and subscribe. And the link will be in the description. You see me? Have a good day and thank you all for tuning in and give us your support. Blessed love.
And action.
You're sorry. You're not so that's to go. Don't got me careful. You know what?